Loft heaven, that's where we are. Carlaw and Dundas. What I would consider as Toronto's area that has the most amount of lofts. A lot of these buildings in these areas have been converted from industrial old buildings to now condominiums, but loft style, hard lofts, one of my favorite designs. And what do we do to actually take those designs and help people take them into their own homes? And a lot of people don't want to live in condos, in concrete buildings. So we take these designs and put them into people's homes. Tenants love it, homeowners love it, they're willing to pay a premium for it, for rent and to buy. So take these designs and incorporate them into your home.